In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum all of you. You are watching Royce TV and my name is Abdul Basit. So viewers, Royce TV had told you when NASA roll mission landed on Mars. Now you get ready, such a revolution is about to take place in the whole world, inshallah. Truth will trump, so the Quran will be at the top. The biggest thing is that NASA has discovered water on Mars. To this theory are given that there is low gravity above Mars. Because of this there is much water here. That atmosphere mean it has gone into space. Now NASA new research has come, which is their mission, the message sent from there. It turns out that there is water above the land of Mars, and NASA had found evidence of that. There were sea and lake in this planet many years ago. All these things were present on Mars. Scientists has discovered this 30 to 99% water on Mars. So viewers, let's see what scientist is going to do next. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.